polar opposite end of the stick. So there's a polarity to create that balance. You can't.
Did that help you?
No, Tootsie came up. All right, this isn't.
In my bathtub, is that okay?
You know, I was hoping you would be in your bathtub, but not like this.
He drowned in a pool and he'd kill himself.
I don't want to get into it. This is supposed to be lighthearted. I have a toaster oven tattooed on my ass. It's not,
you know, with chips in it. Soft,
like Coke, Pop, 7-Up.
Yeah.
I really enjoy 7-Up. Someone who probably smells
So that makes you a baby backwards tit sucking.
You are a juggernaut. You are, you know what you are? You're my
Shih Tzu and a Pitsu.
Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.
I don't know exactly.
No, actually, I moved to Los Angeles to work at A&M Records to get in the record business.
Thought its mother's teat and all the milk saliva was drooling out.
That's a deep philosophical question. That requires a whole day. What alchemy really means is the transmutation. Turning metal into gold is just a metaphor for transmuting from one form to another. Boy, killing it, boy, killing it.